check this out. We're doing a review of these Enjoy Life soft baked cookies, gingerbread. So it's more like a ginger snap, but if you look at this ingredient list, it is vegan, gluten free, free from allergens. I picked it up, it was on sale, and there's the ingredients. You guys want to read that? Pause the video. Alright, so let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Alright, so that's what they look like. And let's open the package. Okay, so check that out. Alright, let's do a quick taste test. Okay, they are soft and they're really good. It's like a ginger snap. Yeah, really good, guys. Lots of ginger flavor. It's got some sweetness to it. It's not overly sweet, but you can tell that there is some sweetness in that, or molasses or sugar they put in. So if you have a question, comment, guys, please subscribe to the channel.